Unlock your beauty potential. Elevate your beauty routine with these proven tips and tricks. 1. Organic Facial Cleanser. A gentle and effective cleanser made from natural and organic ingredients that thoroughly cleanses the skin without stripping away its natural oils. 2. Vitamin C Serum. A potent antioxidant serum infused with vitamin C that helps brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. A lightweight moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. 4. Retinol Cream. A rejuvenating cream enriched with retinol, which helps reduce the signs of aging, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin texture and tone. 5. Natural Face Mask. A nourishing face mask made from natural ingredients such as clay, botanical extracts, and essential oils, which detoxifies the skin, tightens pores, and promotes a healthy complexion. 6. Eye Cream. A hydrating and firming eye cream that targets fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness around the delicate eye area, leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. 7. Organic Body Butter. A luxurious body butter infused with organic shea butter and nourishing oils to moisturize and deeply nourish the skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Thanks for watching.